You can't smoke, hon?
Of course I could. I always smoke it, hon. It's not me if I'm not smoking and drinking coffee, so.
Hi guys, Tommy here, my husband, and I here, MaryAnn in my channel. And
I'm here to be interrogated.
I posted something on Facebook. We're gonna do Q&A because one of my viewers, I said, why not doing a husband and wife Q&A? And then so I asked on Facebook if you guys can give me a question.
Because the husband doesn't like to be on this side of the camera. That's why.
So, okay, first question is from Gloria. I'm gonna do that last.
Okay, the first question is the last.
Okay, the question is, does your mother-in-law live with you? This is from John Charter. Yes, she lives with us. Will she be living with you both in your new home?
Yes.
Yes, she does. And next question, can you read this one? From who?
Jongelin Forlanga Villanueva.
Okay.
Hi sis, anong favorite food ni Tommy?
Just it.
No,
Just...
no. You read it, interpret it, whatever.
Okay.
I'll make a mess
Hi sis, kumakain din ba si Tommy ng Filipino food na niluluto mo? Is Tommy eating Filipino food, you know, the one that you cook? And I don't know guys, that's what you get.
Yes, as long as it's not dried fish.
What is your favorite food?
What is my favorite food? That's a tough question. I don't know. I'm simple. I like hamburgers and hot dogs. I'm very simple that way.
Yeah, but you like hamburger, right?
I like hamburgers and hot dogs. I like pasta, lasagna. I just, you know.
Okay, my favorite food is dried fish, the Filipino. And since I got here, my favorite one is steak. I love steak. I can eat steak all the time. Yeah, so.
That's true.
The food that he will eat when I cook Filipino food is the...
Is what? When you make the tuna, I don't know what you call it. Yeah.
The soup.
Oh, the mango soup. It's
Yeah.
great. The mango soup is great, but when you make the tuna like a sushi kind of tuna.
Oh, he liked the sinigang tuna, guys. The sinigang with the soup, the tamarind soup.
No. No. The one you make, you cook it with vinegar. It's like, it's not what it's called.
What? Oh, the one, the paksiw. Yes, the vinegar with the.
It's like a sushi. It's not cooked.
Oh, kinilaw.
You know,
Kinilaw.
right.
Yeah, Tommy love kinilaw, but I can't do kinilaw here because I don't trust fish here. It's not fresh. Okay, next question is from Yumi Isha Kumiko Vimar. Kung magbakasyon kayo sa isang isla, if you want a vacation, which country?
Costa Rica.
Okay, I am different. He wants to go to Costa Rica. I want to go to Bahamas.
Oh, Bahamas is nice too.
That's what we talk about,
Bahamas,
and that's what we talk that we if we have money, that's where we're going.
I like
to
the
the vacation.
Bahamas.
Okay,
But
next.
then you gamble all your money away when you're there.
Okay, the next question from Beth. Can you read it, hon?
I can't read that.
Beth J. Will.
Well,
Okay, now question number 1.
what's the single most important thing for a relationship to be successful?
Okay, you do it, hon.
Mutual trust and respect.
That's the answer, guys. Which love song best describes your relationship? Ay, love song.
I don't know. I don't
Love
know.
song? I don't
You
know,
pick
guys.
one. You're the song person.
Yeah, love song. Forevermore. Forevermore from side A. And number 3 question is, how would you want to spend a special day with each other?
At the ocean. Get some nice refreshing drinks from the tiki bar. Enjoy the ocean, the water, the salt air, the sun. You know, like that.
Okay. Okay, the next question is from Yads how you say it? Yads Mishi? Here is my question, sis. May plano po ba kayo ni hubby na mag-retire sa Pinas or willing to be hubby mo sa Pinas na mag-retire?
Not my plan to retire in the Philippines, no.
Okay, so
I don't speak the language, and it would be very difficult for me to.
But Filipino speak.
Not that many of them.
But most Filipino, hon, Most Filipino, even though we are not graduated or some people, but still can speak English other than
Let's put it
country.
this way. I'd have to see different areas of the Philippines before I would make that call.
Yeah, but because the last time, I'm sorry guys, he is drinking and he is smoking in this Q&A, so he's gonna be like that because you can't stop him. But anyway.
Is that a question?
No, but anyway, when we went to the Philippines the last time, he doesn't go to the other islands that, you know, to meet other people, mingle, like, you know, go to nice places. It's my fault, so that's all, we stop there. Okay, the next question is from Vicky.
What about this?
From this one, which of
your husband's personality traits do you admire most and why? And what are the things you might be thankful about your husband? Thankful for about your husband?
Okay, which of your... Okay, I have to read it again because it's gonna be like
It's
English
two
for
questions.
more. Okay. Okay, the thing that I admire about my husband, guys, it's a lot. He is very thoughtful. He has a big heart, guys. Like, he gives and gives and gives. And of course, he's the one who's taking care of his mother. Even though in this country is supposedly the mother, most of people is bring their mother to, you know, to nursing home to be like, you know, right? That's most in this country. And that's the first thing, even though there is some issues, but he is, I'm so, you know, I admire him by that. And then what is the next question? And what are the things you might be thankful?
Right.
Guys, you know my story about my past, and I'm very thankful about it, that he's like a angel from that God sent me, sent to me, right, hon? Because I really can't forget that, guys, when I have a struggle when I was here, and then Tommy, even though, you know, it's just
It's
like...
true. I have it my itinerary. God sent me a note.
No, I really believe that, guys. Everything about him. I love him so much. Do you love me?
Yes, hon.
Okay. How important to you to build better boundaries in your marriage? Oh, I don't understand that question. Baby.
Boundaries. There are boundaries. Things you don't do. Things you know when to stop doing.
Oh God. Okay. Okay. What is that? How important to you build the boundaries? Very important, right?
It is important. I mean, there are things that you have to sit there and say, hey, no matter what your personal feeling is about it, you need to do this for the other person. There's a boundary you don't cross, because it chips away at your relationship.
Yeah, but for me, there's no boundary because you're very open to each other, though.
But it's important to build boundaries.
Yeah, I know it's important, but seems like we're very open to each other.
That's not the question.
Okay, but what is the bound? There's no boundaries when you're open up.
Hey, here's a boundary. Touching my belly button is annoying as hell. It's a boundary you shouldn't cross.
Hey guys, I have to do that, guys, because every time I touch
It's annoying.
because every time I touch the belly button of his, he make a nice face that seems like it tickles
nice
him
face,
and makes
annoying.
me. Okay, that face is really nice looking. So, okay, the next question. Hand that cigarette in your hand.
Right.
From Rochelle Dincy. Okay, read it.
No, you read it.
Tanong sa tagal niyong bilang mag-asawa. Okay, hanip, oy. Sa tagal niyong bilang mag-asawa, bakit wala pa kayong anak?
My tongue couldn't do that.
I answered that long time ago. Yes, we're hoping that we have one.
Waiting for God to want us to have
Yeah,
a kid.
yeah.
I'm gonna tell you.
Yeah, so that's really it. It's time we went to the province where I'm from. Answer it. The province?
Yeah. No, not where you were born.
No, never
Where
been.
your parents live now.
Yeah.
Where you lived before you came here,
Yeah.
but not where you were born.
Yeah, only in Davao and Cebu, guys, and that's not my province. My province is in Bislig. Surigao del Sur. The next question is from Gloria McNay. 3 characteristics you love about each other.
Okay. Because you can be very sweet. Your sense of humor. You can have a good sense of humor.
Sometimes.
And your interaction with pets, which also depicts your interaction with children.
Why, am I good to our pets?
Yes, and generally, pets are like children that never grow up. So any way you respond to
Well, the
animals,
kids are growing up. The pets are different.
But the way you respond to animals is indicative of the way you will respond to children.
Okay, what is characteristic about you? Okay.
My smoking, you love my smoking. Come
Oh
on.
my God, I'm already coughing. Okay, the thing is, he is really good with children, guys. Even without the pets, not talking about pets or any animals. everywhere in the store, every time we saw a kid, he make faces and the kid just keep smiling because you make faces to the kid that he doesn't even know. And then also, he is not embarrassed, guys. I love that about him. He just do what he wants. He doesn't think about what people think.
Life's too short to worry about what people
And
think.
yeah, and then what else? Characteristic.
Just don't do mean things. She admire my clam chowder
Your clam chowder is really good.
and my macaroni salad and my steak.
Everything about you
Most-
cooking. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add it about
All
him.
the stuff I taught her how to cook it. Now she cooks it and I don't.
Yeah, everything about him because, like, you know, his personality is the best, and then his cooking also. He really taught me, guys, how to cook all that Italian thing, and okay,
Very
sorry.
simple. Add lots of garlic to everything. And you good.
Okay, katulad nung isa ano paboritong movie, food, sports. Okay, somebody asked me a question is Vimar Yumi, and I'm gonna make this question really short.
Favorite movie? That's a good question. My cousin Vinny. That was funny.
Okay, what is your favorite sports that you think you will like
Hockey.
to do? Hockey.
I used to play hockey.
I don't really know that he loves hockey, and I don't know about hockey, and he doesn't even know what kind of a sport I like. So
Basketball.
oh, so you know, yeah, I like basketball, and I don't know about hockey about him because we don't have hockey in the Philippines, so I don't know that. Okay, that's really it, guys. Okay, Han, you see an outro, Han.
Say what?
Outro.
Outro?
Yeah. Bye, guys. No, not that.
What?
You say, like, thank you guys so much for watching.
Oh, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you all guys also. Thank you for all the questions, and I appreciate it. And then thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do click the button down below. And thank you guys. Bye.
And come back soon because she's gonna show you her nose stuff. See the nose stuff.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Give me a kiss.
All right.
Bye.
Give me the camera.